Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to get a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, with first 20 people to comment hashtag ChillVacationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple dimple, a springy fidget, and a squishy poppet fidget. Currently in my slime shop, I'm having a 20% off sale if you use the code SUMMER. All these fidgets are super cool and easy to make. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. First up, I'll be showing you guys how to make a springy fidget. To start off, grab some kind of thick construction paper, or like poster paper, and now we'll be making a smaller square. So grab a ruler and measure out about 8 centimeters right here. Now I'm going to place my ruler this way and measure out another 8 centimeters. And now cut your square out. Next, grab some kind of pen, preferably like a broken one or without ink, and then start unscrewing the top. Take out the stick inside. Right here should be a spring, and then just take off the spring. Just like that. Now repeat this exact process with another pen so that we have 2 springs. Now grab some hot glue and put a tiny droplet onto the edge of one of the springs. Just like this, hold it. Once the glue has dried, put some more hot glue on one of the edges. Just a tiny bit. Glue it down in the center of the square that we made earlier. Once that's dried, grab some kind of foam bead or pom-pom, some kind of ball, and then go ahead, place some hot glue on it. Just a tiny droplet. Glue it onto the top of the spring. Once it's dried, your fidget toy is basically all complete. Look at this. It is a springy fidget. You can go ahead and bounce around the fidget. Super fun. It kind of reminds me of a balloon or a joystick. And if you would like, you can actually use 1 spring instead of 2. And it's also kind of like a mini punching bag. This fidget was super duper easy to make, and it is really fun to play with, so I'd rate this a 10 out of 10. Next up, I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple dimple. For this, grab a piece of cardboard, and then grab a soda cap, a water bottle cap, some kind of circular object that you can trace. Place it somewhere on the piece of cardboard. Don't place it in the very corner, and then trace it. Now leave a little bit of space in between. For the simple dimple shape, I kind of want it to look like this, so I'm going to start drawing the shape. You can make the shape whatever you like. Now once you've drawn the shape you'd like, go ahead and cut it out. Now to cut out the center, I'd recommend using some sharp nail scissors and poke a hole in the center and then cut around it. So right here I cut it out. Grab some kind of a piece of paper. You can use white paper, pink paper, whatever paper you'd like. Place the dimple on and just trace the entire thing. And now trace one more. And now cut them out. Place them on top just to double check that they fit. And mine look like they fit very nicely. Now you can actually set this aside. And for the actual poppet parts, grab a plastic water bottle. Then grab the item that you used to trace the circles and place it onto like the top of the water bottle and trace it. Since we have 2 dimples, I am gonna trace another circle. Now once you've traced them, you can start cutting it out. Once you've cut out the 2 circles, grab some kind of alcohol pad use it to erase the Sharpie. If you used a washable marker, you should just be able to use a piece of paper to wipe it off. So FYI, rubbing alcohol gets rid of Sharpie. Just like that, magic. Now, this step is optional, but you can go ahead and grab some paint or permanent markers and color your pieces of plastic. This way, your simple dimple will be more fancy and have some nice colors. Now, onto the purple one. It is more kind of like a magenta color. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and let them dry, but first comment down below, which color do you think looks prettier, the teal or the magenta/purple? Take your piece of cardboard. So I placed the teal one on top of one of the holes. I'm just making sure that it fits. And now go ahead and grab some hot glue, or you can also use super glue, and put it on the edge of the circle. And now place it onto it. And now just press it on. Now repeat the same process with the purple one. Give them a quick second to dry. Grab your pieces of cutout paper, grab the glue again, and put it onto the cardboard. Place it just anywhere. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Once it's all dried, if you want, you can go ahead and try to cut off the excess, just to make it like more perfect. And once you've done that, your simple dimple is all completed. I really enjoy this fidget, and I'd definitely recommend making it. Next, I'll be showing you guys how to make a squishy pop-it fidget. For this, grab 3 or 2 balloons, and then kind of cut off the tip. Just like right here. And do that for the rest of the balloons as well. Once you've done that, open it up and then kind of stretch it out. Now grab some Play-Dohs or clay, and if you do not have Play-Doh or clay, you can check out one of my DIY fidget toy videos where I show you how to make some fidget clay, and you can use that for this fidget. So grab your clay or Play-Doh, and then go ahead and stick it inside the balloon. So as you guys can see, my Play-Dohs are matching the balloon colors. Just stretch it out and... simple and easy to make. And yeah, I really like it. So right over here were all of the fidgets we made today. The Springy fidget, super cute. The simple Dimple. And the squishy Poppet. All of these fidgets were really fun and easy to make. I hope you guys try some of them out and check out my other DIY fidget toy videos. They will all be linked down below in the description box. But that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Make sure to check out my slime shop, it's linked down below, and use the code SUMMER to get 20% off. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.